The for-profit entity working on Zcash has published a software development kit (MD) for both Android and iOS. According to a blog post Wednesday, the electric coin company, EC, has published an improved Android MD and new iOS package to help developers support shielded payments on mobile devices. The new software tools come alongside a lightweight server for back-end processing of mobile shielded payments, meaning addresses, transaction amounts and memos within transactions are obfuscated. While multiple Zcash wallets already exist for laptop and desktop computers on the Zec wallet service, today's release is a major step toward enabling shielded payments on mobile, the EC said. Due to the vast amount of data needed to process shielded payments, facilitating them on mobile devices was technologically difficult. The EC said it managed to trim data constraints down on mobile versions to implement its sapling privacy key. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.